Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms extending from 8 miles northeast of Geary to 4 miles northwest of Greenfield to near Fay, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, Yukon, Geary, Calumet, Bridgeport, Greenfield, Concho, and Richland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flood and El Reno, Yukon, Geary, Calumet, Bridgeport, Greenfield, Concho, and Richland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.